Hey, welcome back guys, it's Bruce and Mr. B here with another video. And today we're trying the green peppers, like, you know the other peppers that we tried a few minutes earlier? Yeah.
You know they can't see it, right?
We got this.
Look, it's a green pepper.
Yeah, I'm about to
So yeah, in 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Oh!
It was fine until I swallowed.
I may just put my tongue on it.
You sure you want to do it?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm fine. Go ahead.
Oh!
It's gonna be okay. Oh, I can feel it.
Oh!
Just take the salty food, because hot stuff isn't hard food. Spicy food isn't your thing. It's gonna be okay. You know milk helps, right? Instead of, lemonade. You know these aren't even hot peppers, right? Like on a scale of 1 to 10, this is a 2. You still gotta eat it. Look at this. He still has his. Oh, drop it. No one. You still have to eat it. This video will go to waste. Come on, save the video. Do it for your fans.
My tongue just burns too bad.
Well, I guess I ate my part. I did my part of the pepper. Want some milk?
See, I do like a champ.
So what's in your hand?
Oh, my lip. Hey, you talking about this?
You want to see me eat another pepper? If you want to see me eat another pepper, just thumbs up on the video and subscribe.
And
if you're new.
And ring the what is it? Hit the notifications bell. Yeah, hit the notifications bell. Like and subscribe to my and Mr. Darth B's channel. And I guess it's goodbye.
I think he's gonna die, so I'll just end the video right here. Goodbye.